I'm Sefali. I'm a financial analyst and I've been in my current role for 3 years and with my company for over 10 years. Before I joined the program, I knew that I was ready for a change, to pivot to a new direction, grow into more senior roles, but I didn't quite know where to start. I joined the program hoping to not only get clarity on what types of roles I want to pursue next, but how to even go about looking for a new job, especially after having been with the same company for so many years and just being in the middle of a pandemic. Once I joined, I was connected with others in similar boats, just looking to make their next move. One of the most helpful aspects for me was just really taking the time to invest in myself and focus on what's next. The program really pushed me to take a step back and evaluate my skill set and what's important to me. One of the key takeaways for me was to ensure I'm pursuing new roles that are a stepping stone to where I want to be and not going after new roles for the sake of it. The workshops on networking and building a relevant resume were incredibly helpful, and going through the program has helped me build the confidence to go after new opportunities. I would highly recommend the program to anyone looking for a change or just feeling stuck in their careers. It's a great way to make new connections, learn valuable skills, and just be more proactive and intentional in managing your career.